Hi, and welcome to Levon's Kitchen. Have you ever had some dirty rice and had a lot of it left over? I'm going to tell you what to do with that. We're going to turn it into stuffed peppers because you already have something good and delicious, and peppers are good, so we're going to just use that rice as our stuffing. We're going to take our peppers, cut them up, clean them out, then we're going to parboil them. So get you some boiling water and just put them in there for a minute. We're going to get our crushed tomatoes and make our sauce by adding some Italian seasoning to it. Next, we're going to add some garlic salt to it or garlic powder, whichever. Then we're going to add a little bit of black pepper to it. You know me, I've always got to put black pepper in my stuff. So we're going to cut them in half. That way we make even more peppers because some people don't like the whole pepper. They don't want to eat that much. So we're going to cut those in half and we're going to use multiple colors. You see we got green, red, yellow. We're going to use different colors, and those different colors have different flavor. So now we're going to line our pan with our sauce that we made. So we already have some delicious sauce. We're going to make sure it's all in the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to go ahead and put our peppers in the sauce. So next thing we're going to do is use our filling, our dirty rice. Put them in the peppers. Look at that. So we've got our sauce, we've got our dirty rice, we have our peppers. Next thing, we are going to top them with some mozzarella cheese. You put as much cheese on there as you want. I like a lot of cheese, so as you see, I'm going to just keep adding and adding cheese. Once you've got the cheese on there, then we're going to take those. Look at all that cheese. We're going to take those and put it in the oven because we want to melt that cheese and get that dirty rice nice and warm. Okay, remember it's left over. So put that in the oven, let that warm up, and let that cheese melt. See, take it out. Look at that. Look at that cheese on there. So now we're going to add some sauce on top of our cheese because we've already had sauce in the bottom of the pan, but we want sauce on top. Put that back in the oven and let it cook. Now look at that. Look how delicious that is. You didn't waste your leftover dirty rice. You made something beautiful and delicious. Look at that. I wish you could smell it, but I really wish you could taste it.